Welcome to our channel. Today we how to uninstall Docker Desktop on Windows, full guide step by step clearly. To uninstall Docker Desktop on Windows, begin by closing the application if it's running. Locate the Docker icon in your system tray. Right-click on the icon and select Quit Docker Desktop from the menu. Next, open the Start menu by clicking the Windows icon in the bottom left corner of your screen. Type Add or Remove Programs into the search bar and press Enter. In the Apps and Features settings, scroll down to find Docker Desktop in the list of installed applications. Click on Docker Desktop to reveal the Uninstall button. Click the Uninstall button to initiate the uninstallation process. A confirmation dialog will appear. Click Uninstall again to proceed. Follow the prompts provided by the uninstaller to complete the removal process. Once the uninstallation is complete, restart your computer to ensure all components are removed. After rebooting, you can verify that Docker has been uninstalled by revisiting the Add or Remove Programs section. If Docker Desktop is no longer listed, the uninstallation was successful. Additionally, you may want to remove Docker-related files and folders manually from your system drive. Navigate to your user directory, typically found under C:\users\left your username right bracket single quote. Look for the .docker folder and delete it if it exists. Finally, check the C:\program data single quote folder for any residual Docker files and remove them if necessary. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.